Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up call forwarding in Samsung Galaxy A05. If you guys want to forward any call to another guy, all you guys have to do just go to call log, and here you see we have three dot option. So just click here. After that, go to settings. So in setting, we have supplementary services option. Just click here. Now tap on call forwarding. After that, click on voice call. Now, as you guys see that we have four options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. If you want to always forward your calls, all you guys have to do just click here and then enter the number to which you want to forward the call. After entering the number, then click on turn on. And if you want to forward when you are busy, so just click here and then enter that number to which you want to forward the call. So guys, this is how we can forward the call in Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.